How to see Spotify Wrapped, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna quickly show you how to find or how to see your Spotify Wrapped 2022. So let me show you. First of all, you're gonna open up your Spotify, and if you cannot find Spotify Wrapped right here on your home screen, you can simply go to spotify.com/wrapped. So this is where you will get, this is the first link. I will also mention the link down in the description. You have to just click on the link. You will get right here. You can see it's Spotify 2022 Wrapped is here. Click on listen to highlights right here at the bottom, and it will take you to your Spotify 2022 Wrapped. And now you can share it with your friends on your social media. You can check out the top artists that you listen to in 2022. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below. Turn on bell notification and subscribe to Software Made Easy.